Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit Architecture 2024 for beginners. I am architect Sonurai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about roof soffit, roof fascia and roof gutter. So you can look at these three terms. So we will understand all these three terms and what are their function in simple words. So first I am going to start with roof soffit. So if you look at the definition of roof soffit, it is stating that it creates a roof soffit in the building model. To create a roof soffit, you are required to go to your plan view. So I'm going to plan view in this 3D only, so it will be easy for us. So this is our plan view, and to create a roof here, roof soffit, you are required to go to your wireframe mode here, and now you can go to your roof here and select roof soffit, and it is asking you have created roof soffit on the lowest level, would you like to move it to level 2? I'm going to select yes, and now it is asking to pick walls and pick roof edges. So first I'm going to use this pick roof edges. So these are our roof edges. So now I have picked roof edges, and now next thing is that pick walls. So I'm going to pick the walls here, and you can see here this is our wall here in wireframe mode. So I'm going to press tab to select all the walls, and I'm going to click yes here, and you can see these all corners are selected. Now I'm going to finish edit mode here, and we'll see in 3D view how it looks. So I'm going to my 3D view here, and you can see here this is our 3D view, and I'm going to make this again to realistic. So you can see this is our roof soffit which is created. Only problem is that we don't want to see this here, so this we can remove here. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to use edit boundary. So we can again go to your top here, and you can simply delete these lines. Better you can go to your wireframe again, and now I'm going to delete these lines here and these lines, and you can simply extend this till here, and you can join by using this line here. Again I'm going to extend here, and I'm going to join this. Can use fillet also. So now I'm going to use finish edit mode, and again I'm going to see in 3D view, and we'll go to realistic mode, and you can see the roof soffit is removed from this front part. Likewise you can remove it from front part, and this is back part. So I have removed soffit from this back side. So likewise you can see this roof soffit is created at all the corners. So you can remove from front side also. So, and you can also edit this roof soffit. You can change the material, you can go to edit type, and you can create a duplicate here. If you want to change the material, you can go to structure, and in by category you can click these three dots here, and you can create a new material here, and you can go to asset browser, and you can apply any material. Suppose I'm going to apply wood here. So you can select any wood here, and I'm going to apply, click OK, apply. So you can see this is our soffit here. So I applied wood finish here. So likewise you can use soffit in Revit. So next I'm going to teach you about roof fascia. So if you look at the definition of roof fascia, it adds fascia to the edges of a roof soffit or other fascia, or to a model line. So now I'm going to select a roof fascia here, and now I'm going to select the corners of this roof. So I'm going to apply a roof fascia here. You can see here this is changed here, and I'm going to select this corner, these corners, and this all the corners. I'm going to make a fascia here. So can see this is roof fascia here. If you will hit escape, and you can see this is our roof fascia, and you can see here roof fascia flat 1:12. So you can change the material again. For better understanding, I'm going to edit type, and now I'm going to duplicate here, and I'm going to material by category. I will click these three dots here, and I'm going to create a new material, and now I'm going to use white paint here. You can apply any white paint or textures here. So suppose I'm going to use this gypsum paint white, apply, click OK, and you can see this is our roof fascia, and I have applied to all the corners here of the roof edges. So likewise you can use this, and again you can do some more settings. You can go to edit type, and you can see here profile here. So basically this is a flat 1:12 profile. If you want to other profile, Revit has some inbuilt profile here, so you can change this. So suppose you want C type here, you can use C 9:15, and you can make a C profile here. So you can change this also, and you can go to edit type, and you can change to any other profile here. Suppose I'm going to use fascia flat 1:4, and I'm going to apply. So this will reduce. So likewise you can use this profile. You can also download this profile from external source from Google, and you can insert in your roof fascia profile. You can go to edit type, and that profile will be displayed here in this list. So you can select this. Also you can bring some more profile from your library, that will do in advanced Revit. So this is the basic understanding of roof fascia. Here can also apply some fascia here if you want fascia on this side also. Can apply roof fascia here also. So you can go to roof fascia, and you can go to edit type, can use this C9, and you can see this is our roof fascia on this side also. So likewise you can apply this roof fascia. So next thing is the gutter here. So I'm going to roof and roof gutter. So it adds a gutter to the edges of a roof, soffit or fascia, or to a model line. So now I'm going to use this roof gutter, and this is gutter bevel 5" into 5". And now I'm going to select this roof edges here, and you are required to just select the roof edges, and you can see this gutter is applied here. So you can change the position of your gutter. If you think that this is not in the best direction, you can flip this. You can see this arrow, you can use this flip technique, and you can see this position of gutter here, and it's looking fine. And you can also change the sizes by going to edit type, and you can see here this is gutter profile bevel 5" 5", and you can use any other sizes here, like gutter profile bevel 6 inches by 6 inches here. Suppose I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to apply, and you can see this size is changing. And you can also change the material. You can go to by category, and you can apply any material if you want here, and you can change the material also. So like this, and can see this, you can change this gutter here, and you can apply this gutter here. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in Revit. So thanks for watching.